In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use GoHighLevel CRM like a pro. Not just store contacts, but organize leads, track conversations, and understand exactly where every contact stands in your business. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. A lot of people sign up for GoHighLevel but barely touch the CRM, or they use it like a basic contact list. But the CRM is the backbone for the entire platform. Automations, pipelines, calendars, and reporting all depend on it. By the end of this video, you'll know how the GoHighLevel CRM is structured, how to organize contacts properly, how to track leads through pipelines, and how to avoid common CRM mistakes. If you want to follow along as I do, there's a link in the description that gives you an extended 30-day free trial, so you can build this alongside me. Alright, let's start with how the CRM actually works. Before clicking anything, it's important to understand what the CRM is doing behind the scenes. In GoHighLevel, the CRM is made up of contacts. This is people in your system. Conversations, which are emails, SMSs, and DMs. Pipelines, where leads are in your process. And tags and custom fields, how you organize data. Everything in GoHighLevel connects back to this. Automations, calendars, campaigns, and reporting. Once you understand the structure, the CRM stops feeling overwhelming and starts feeling logical. Let's start with the most basic building blocks, contacts. Go to the Contacts tab in the left column. This is where every lead, client, or customer lives. For each contact, you can see name, email, and phone number, tags, notes, conversation history, and automation activity. One important mindset shift. Contacts are not just names, they're timelines. Every action a contact takes gets stored here, which means you always know where they came from, what messages they received, and how they interacted with your business. Now that contacts are stored, the next step is organizing them properly. Tags are the most powerful and misunderstood parts of the CRM. Think of tags like labels. You attach to contacts based on where they came from, what they're interested in, and what actions they've taken. For example, new lead, website, a booked call, missed appointment, or customer. Tags help you filter contacts, trigger automations, and segment campaigns later. Use clear, descriptive tags. Your future self will thank you when your contact list grows. To add a tag, you want to click on your contact, and just above that, you will see Add Tags. You can enter a description for the action, so I will just name this Contact 1, and you can select a tag. Once your contacts are labeled, you'll want a visual way to track progress. That's where pipelines come in. Pipelines let you see where leads are in your sales or booking service. In the left column, go to the Opportunities tab. Here you'll see stages like new lead, contacted, booked, showed up, or closed. Each contact moves through these stages as they take action. Why does this matter? Instead of guessing who needs follow-ups, you can instantly see who's new, who's stalled, and who's ready to close. This turns your CRM from a storage tool into a decision-making tool. Now let's connect conversations to the CRM. In the left column, go to the Conversations tab. This is your unified inbox for SMS, emails, Facebook messages, and Instagram DMs. Every conversation is automatically linked to the contact record. Why this is powerful. No more switching between apps, no lost messages, full context every time you reply. You can also see which automation sent a message, whether the contact replied, and how fast your team is responding. Now that you can track conversations, let's talk about automation inside the CRM. This is where GoHighLevel really shines. The CRM tells your automations who to message, when to message, and when to stop messaging. For example, if a contact responds, stop follow-ups. If a contact books, move them to a new pipeline stage. If a tag is added, start a new workflow. This prevents awkward situations where someone responds, but your system keeps sending reminders. The CRM isn't passive. It actively controls how your system behaves. Next, let's cover notes and internal tracking. Inside each contact, you can leave notes, assign tasks, and track internal comments. This is especially useful if you work with a team, you handle multiple leads per day, and you want full context before calls. Instead of relying on memory, everything is documented inside the CRM. Now, let's quickly cover common mistakes. Here are a few things that trip people up. Not using tags consistently, letting pipelines get outdated, ignoring conversation history, and over-automating without logic. A clean CRM beats a complicated one every time. If you keep your CRM organized, honest, everything in GoHighLevel becomes easier. If you've been using GoHighLevel without really touching the CRM, this is your sign to fix that. When used properly, GoHighLevel CRM gives you clarity, better follow-up, smarter automations, and more control over your business. If you want to try this yourself, you can use the link in the description to get a 30-day extended free trial. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free step-by-step tutorials. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.